If you have watched my last video, then you will remember this junction. This is exactly where I stopped the drone tour. And I told you I would take you from this very point straight into Asiwaju Green Villa Estate. So let's continue the journey. From this junction, we're leaving the major Ketu-Omu corridor and entering the Omu-Ijebu community. And as we move deeper into this community, I want you to look around. You are seeing simple homes, existing residential developments, open spaces, and areas that are still relatively undeveloped. This is what a developing community looks like. And for me as a real estate professional, this is where the story becomes interesting. Because real estate is not just about buying where development have already arrived. Sometimes the opportunity is in identifying where development is moving next. And this is why I wanted you to see this journey for yourself. From the major road into the community and now towards the estate, you can physically see the transition. And somewhere within this developing environment is the property we are here to see. And there it is, Asiwaju Green Villa Estate. This is what we came all the way here to see. Now let me tell you why this property deserves the attention of an investor. First, location. Asiwaju Green Villa Estate is located in Omu-Ijebu, Ogun State, within this developing corridor connected to the Ketu-Epe axis. And from our journey in the first video, you have already seen the road connecting this area. You have seen the surrounding communities, and you have seen the development along the corridor. This is important because when you're buying land for investment, you're not buying an isolated piece of earth. You are buying into a location. You are buying into its accessibility, its surrounding development, and its future potential. Second, timing. This property is currently being offered at a pre-launch price of 10 million naira 500 square meter plots. And this is where I want you to think like an investor. You don't necessarily want to wait until everybody has discovered the location before you start looking for opportunity. Because by the time this location becomes popular, the prices may have already moved. The idea is to position yourself earlier while the property is still accessible. Third, documentation. Asiwaju Green Villa Estate comes with a government allocated CFO. And for anyone buying a land as an investor, documentation is not something you should overlook. Of course, as with every property purchase, I always encourage buyers to carry out proper legal and title verification. But having the stated government allocation documentation is an important part of understanding what you're buying. And then there is the estate itself. This isn't a piece of land being sold without a vision for the environment. The development plan includes features such as good road infrastructure, a gatehouse, security, perimeter fencing, and a recreational center. So the idea is not simply to own a plot, but to own within a planned residential environment. Now let's talk about the price. The current pre-launch price is 10 million for 500 square meter plots, and the initial deposit is 1 million. That means you don't necessarily have to come up with the entire purchase price before you can secure your interest. And this is particularly interesting for individuals in diaspora, because you can begin positioning yourself in Nigeria without necessarily waiting until you're physically back home. But let me say something very important. I don't want you to buy this property simply because I'm recommending it. I want you to understand the location, see the road, see the community, see the development around it, and understand the documentation. And then decide whether the property fits your investment goals. That's how I believe real estate should be approached. But if you are looking for an opportunity to own a land in an emerging corridor, if you want a sizable 500 square meter plot, if you understand the importance of positioning early, and you're looking for an investment you can hold for the future, then this is one property I believe you should take a closer look at. Because the biggest question in real estate is not always how much is the land today. Sometimes the better question is, where could this location be tomorrow? And that's exactly why I brought you here. Asiwaju Green Villa, Omu-Ijebu, Ogun State, 500 square meter plot, government allocated CFO. Current pre-launch price 10 million naira, initial deposit 1 million naira. If you are genuinely interested in this property, don't just watch this video and move on. Send me a WhatsApp or call me directly. I can provide you with the available information, answer your question, and arrange an inspection for you physically to see the property and understand the location for yourself. And if you're watching from the United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Europe, or anywhere outside Nigeria, you don't have to wait until you come home before you start the conversation. Reach out to me, let's discuss the property. Let's look at the documentation and let's determine whether it is right for you. I am Ambassador Collins of Intercollins Property. And if you're serious about positioning yourself in Nigeria's emerging real estate locations, this is the best time to start the conversation. Don't wait until everybody's talking about the location. Position yourself early. And I'll see you in the next property tour.